Welcome to our video on the top 5 sump pumps on the market. A sump pump is an essential piece of equipment for any homeowner, as it helps to protect your home and belongings from water damage and flooding. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 sump pumps. Top 5 sump pump picks. 1. WAYNE CDU800 half a horsepower submersible cast iron steel sump pump. Important feather. Brand WAYNE. Material stainless steel. Style 3/4 of a horsepower stainless steel sump pumps. Item weight 11 pounds. Maximum flow rate 77 gallons per minute. 2. WAYNE 58321 WIN 3 CDU980E 3/4 of a horsepower submersible cast iron and stainless steel sump pump. Important feather. Brand WAYNE. Color silver. Material stainless steel. Style 3/4 of a horsepower stainless steel sump pumps. Power source corded electric. 3. Superior Pump 92,341 and 1/3 horsepower cast iron submersible sump pump. Important feather. Brand Superior Pump. Material cast iron. Style sump pump. Power source AC. Item weight 16.95 pounds. Maximum flow rate 46 cubic feet per minute. 4. WAYNE 3/4 of a horsepower basement Guardian Halo, up to 5,490 gallons per hour. Important feather. Brand WAYNE. Material stainless steel. Style smart sump pump. Item dimensions LXW/XH 11 by 9 by 11 inches. Power source corded electric. 5. Solar M53 Mighty Mate submersible sump pump, 1/3 of a horsepower. Important feather. Brand Solar. Material engineered thermoplastic base, cast iron switch. Item dimensions LXW/XH 10.25 by 7.75 by 10.25 inches. Power source battery powered. Item weight 21 pounds.